Children, we are learning about Greenland and the people, those who are living in this polar region, Eskimos, I said in the last class, no? Now, what is the occupation of this people? What is the occupation of this people in this region? Most people catches fishes and processing of fish. Here in this region, this is a polar region covered with ice and snow throughout the year. Because of that, catching of fish and processing of fish is the main occupation of the people in this region. Here people do large part of fish is canned and frozen or salted for export. Large part of fishes are canned and frozen and or salted for transport. They transport these fishes, they dry these fishes and frozen these fishes and salted these fishes and they transport this into other countries. Here farming is possible. No, farming is not possible in this region. They cannot do the agriculture in this region because there is no available land to grow crops. Almost all the land in Greenland is covered with ice and snow. So, that is farming is impossible in that region. In some areas, south and western coastal areas, some agriculture found very few types of trees grown in south and western coastal areas. Okay, there potatoes and vegetable grown during short summer season. They have very short summer season. When the sun shine, then grows these potatoes and vegetables in this region. What is the capital? I said in the last classes? Nuuk. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. What is the capital of Greenland? Nuuk. Remember that Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. What is the occupation of the people in this region? Fishing, catching fishes and processing fishes. Okay, agriculture is possible in this region? No, farming is not possible because of that cold climate. Some vegetables and potatoes grown in only short summer season. Okay, Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Let's come to the new way of life. Now these Eskimos lifestyle changed nowadays. Now this is not long cold area. This area also becoming changing because of scientific scientific developed and technology also developed. Because of that, here this place also changed. Greenland also changed. They are using radios and televisions. Now people are using radios and televisions. Their lifestyle also changed nowadays. In some areas in Greenland, some cities have electricity also. Some big cities, in some of the big cities, some houses, roads and lights also there in some cities of this area. And motor boats and automobiles also they are using. They are using now motor boats and automobiles. And also educational system also changed. Nowadays so many children are going to school. More than 120 primary schools are there in Greenland. Nowadays people are joining their children to schools. So there are more than 120 primary schools. European clothing is common here and sold this European cloth in their markets. On the special occasions, women wear colorful dresses These Eskimos on the special occasions wear colorful dresses. And there are big cities, they have 8 cities also there. They are connected with Europe and North America. That means airports. Airports also there, they are connected with Europe and North America. In some big cities, they have airports also. Now, people, those who are living, we call Eskimos, these are migrating to other places, towns. They are going to towns to do work in oil fields and mines. Now they are working in oil fields and mines. They are migrating to other towns also. Okay, this is the new way of life of Greenland. Now the people of life changed in the Greenland. They are also educated people. They are all studying in schools, children are studying in schools, and scientific technology developed in this area. They are using radios and televisions, and they are living in big houses. They are constructed big houses. They have roads and lights also. Some places they have electricity also, and they are using motor boats, automobiles. People used to go to schools. There are more than 120 primary schools in that area. On the special occasions, they wear colorful dresses. These 8 cities, big cities, are connected with Europe and North America. Now, Eskimos are migrating to other towns to work in oil fields or mines. Okay, children, this is the occupation and new way life of Eskimos. Till now, we learned about Greenland and the life of the people, those who are living, and how they are living, what is the life of the people and occupation. About that, go through once again this, and you can find out the answers easily for fill in the blanks and true or false.